Good day everyone, and welcome back to Miss Lyra's TLE class. Today, we are going to explore cleaning and sanitizing. Before we start our lesson, let's identify first the most essential learning competency and objectives. Most essential learning competency: maintain appropriate kitchen tools, equipment, and paraphernalia. Objectives: differentiate cleaning and sanitizing. Identify the different cleaning agents. Perform cleaning and sanitizing utensils at home. Cleaning and sanitizing. The objective of cleaning and sanitizing food contact surfaces is to remove food or nutrients that bacteria need to grow and to kill those bacteria that are present. It is important that the clean, sanitized equipment and surfaces drain dry and are stored dry so as to prevent bacteria growth. Cleaning and sanitizing procedures must be part of the standard operating procedures that make up your food safety program. Improperly cleaned and sanitized surfaces allow harmful microorganisms to be transferred from one food to other foods. Cleaning removes soils from the surfaces, while sanitizing reduces the microorganism on the surface. There are 3 steps needed to effectively clean and sanitize utensils. First is washing. Second is sanitizing, and third is drying. What is cleaning agent? Cleaning agents are classified according to the principal method by which soil or stains are removed from the surface. This will be determined by their composition. Cleaning agents are divided into 4 categories. First is detergents. Use detergents to routinely wash tableware, surfaces, and equipment. Detergents can penetrate soil quickly and soften it. Examples include dishwashing detergent and automatic dishwasher detergents. Next is solvent cleaners. Used periodically on surfaces where grease has burned on. Solvent cleaners are often called degreasers. They are based on caustic soda or sodium metasilicate. Third is acid cleaners. Used periodically on mineral deposits and other soils that detergents cannot remove. These cleaners are often used to remove scale in ware-washing machines and steam tables. Strong acids are oxalic acid, phosphoric acid, hydrochloric acid, and sulfuric acid. The last category is abrasive cleaners. Use these cleaners to remove heavy accumulations of soil that are difficult to remove with detergents. Some abrasive cleaners also disinfect. Clean food contact surfaces that are used to prepare potentially hazardous foods as needed throughout the day but no less than every 4 hours. If they are not properly cleaned, food that comes into contact with the surfaces could become contaminated. Since you already know the 4 categories of cleaning agents, let's now explore sanitizing. What is sanitizing? Sanitizing is done using heat, radiation, or chemicals. Heat and chemicals are commonly used as a method for sanitizing in a restaurant. Radiation rarely is. The item to be sanitized must first be washed properly before it can be properly sanitized. Some chemical sanitizers such as chlorine and iodine react with food and soil and so will be less effective on a surface that has not been properly cleaned. The first sanitizing method is heat. There are 3 methods of using heat to sanitize surfaces: steam, hot water, and hot air. Steam. Steam sterilization is achieved by exposing the items to be sterilized with saturated steam under pressure. Steam enhances the ability of heat to kill microorganisms by reducing the time and temperature required to denature proteins in the microorganisms. Hot water. Hot water kills the germs in the water, and it also can kill germs on surfaces of items submerged in the hot water. Another sanitizing method is by using chemicals. Chemicals that are approved sanitizers are chlorine, iodine, and quaternary ammonium. Chlorine. Chlorine-based sanitizers or hypochlorites are the most commonly used sanitizers. They are effective against all bacteria, and they are the least expensive and easiest sanitizers to prepare. Iodine. Iodine has rapid bacterial action in acid pH range in cold or hard water. It is less irritating to the skin than chlorine, and it has a stable long shelf life. Quaternary ammonium. It is non-toxic, odorless, colorless, non-corrosive, non-irritating, stable to heat, relatively stable in the presence of organic matter, and active over a wide pH range. Hooray! Since we're done exploring the different categories of cleaning agents and sanitizing methods, let's have a quick review of what we have learned today. Cleaning. Cleaning removes germs, dirts, and impurities from surfaces or objects. Cleaning works by cleaning agents and water to physically remove germs from surfaces. This process does not necessarily kill germs, but by removing them, it lowers their numbers and the risk of spreading infection. There are four main categories of cleaning agents, namely detergents, solvent cleaners, acid cleaners, and abrasive cleaners. Sanitizing. Sanitizing significantly reduces the growth of fungi, viruses, and other harmful bacteria. It is done by using heat, radiation, or chemicals. There are methods of heat sanitizing: steam, hot water, and hot air. Chemicals that are approved sanitizers are chlorine, iodine, and quaternary ammonium. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned our lesson for today. Please subscribe, like, and comment if this video helped you understand the important concepts in cleaning and sanitizing. Have a nice day!